gonna share with you guys how to create the directory in virtual machine. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Dans cette leçon, nous allons voir ensemble comment utiliser Linux. Mbote na bandeko nyonso toboza kolanda ngai na oyo toza na ngonga ekokana te lelo nakolakisa bino ndenge nini tokreaka directory na Linux eza window te. Alors mpona distraction ekota te na kokanga nano caméra bongo nakolakisa bino après ndenge nini tosalaka yango. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my virtual machine. I'm gonna open it and then we're gonna work here inside. So I'm gonna open this one. So I'm gonna put my username and the password. So then the password. So we are here now. This is our machine. Okay, this is our machine. So what we're gonna do here is to I'm just gonna let's see, I'm gonna show you guys something. Okay, today we're gonna create the directory. Okay, so this is what I want to show you guys. You see, we're gonna create the if you take a look, you see here. Okay, so I'm gonna create the when you look at where say wish, okay, wish number, that's like our home home. So you see we have home, on top of number we have home. So wish number, inside of the wish number we're gonna create the directory. Okay, so we're gonna create Africa, Asia, Europe, America, Australia. So we're gonna create that. Okay, so I want to show you guys exactly this is what we're gonna do today. Okay, so yeah, so that's what I meant. Okay, so I just want to show you guys in case I don't want you guys to get confused. Okay, so in case you don't get it, it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna show you guys more later on. Okay, so yeah, so if I go back a little bit here, okay, in case you guys don't get it, you see the place I put the file system, just to get you guys understand. It's like a root. Okay, in case you don't get the root, it's okay. It's okay if you don't get it for now. It's okay, but I'm gonna go step by step. So when you guys take a look, you're gonna see in the picture we have a lot of stuff there. Lot, right? But when I do the demo, you guys are gonna get it. Okay, so yeah, so that's what I want to show you guys for now. Okay, so if we go to file system, okay, in file system, when you guys take a look, there's a lot of stuff here. Okay, we have a lot of stuff. You see this one, a lot of stuff. This is what I was talking about. You see, okay. If you go back, see we have a lot of stuff here. Now for you guys to see, you see home. I'm here inside. So we go to file. That's why I end up putting the file system for you guys to understand. When you look at the picture I put, you see I put the file system, right? This, okay? The file system. When you look at the file system in this, so let me go back. Inside, if you guys take a look, this is the file system. In file system, inside of it, this is what we got here, okay? That's why my picture I put like that for you guys to get it, in case you don't get it. But you may say, but there's no Europe there, there's no Africa, there's no Asia. Yes, I'm gonna create those directory after, okay? So when you take a look to see which number, you see there's a which number there, right? So to see which number, we have to go here inside. Click on it. It's right here. Now to go in which number, we have to click on it. You see, we don't have any directory here for now. We don't have it. Okay, we don't have it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create the directory. Okay, so there's another way you can do it. You're gonna create it here too. You see here, it's like a folder. You see, it's like a folder here, right? But it's not. It say create a folder. You see, but what we're gonna do today, we're gonna create the directory. Okay, so we wanna make sure when we create the directory, we are inside of this. So let's go to our terminal. Okay, we have a shell, we have a terminal, but let's click on this terminal. We're gonna do let's see, sudo now we're gonna put our password. Okay, it's important to remember your password. Really, really important. Okay, so okay, so now we're gonna create our directory. But if we take a look, we put ls, right? You see, this is what we got here inside. This is what we got. Okay, this is what we got here. Okay, but we don't have, you see, we have a desktop, we got document, we got downloads, we got music, we got pictures, we got public, we got template, we got the video, right? But we don't see Africa here, we don't see Asia here, we don't see North America, I mean Australia here, or state North America. We don't see it, right? Or if we put like this, else, you see, we don't see anything here. This is just another way of showing it like this. Okay, now we're gonna create we're gonna create the Africa. Okay, we're gonna create the Africa. So to make a directory, if you guys take a look, you look at my previous video, the other one I was teaching you guys about. You watch the lecture, you're gonna understand this. Okay, if you don't want the lecture, you're gonna have some problem. Okay, so to create a directory, okay, not the file, but the directory. I'm talking about the directory. To create a directory, we use the command. The command we use, this is how we create it. M, okay, K, D, R, okay. And then let's say, you see I have some directory there I created before. Let's say that let me go back. Let's say that we wanna create okay, let's create we can, you see, like the way I put like this, we're gonna create them at the same 5 of them at once. Okay, but we don't want to do this. Okay, we don't want to do this. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna create, let's see, you see, so if we click enter, we create it. To see it, else it's right there. You see, we create one, two, three, four. We create five of them. So to see it, if you want to see it, if we go back here, okay, let me close this for now. Okay, sorry, let me close this for now. If we go here inside, okay, we click here, you see it's right there inside of it, inside of number. See, inside of it. So we don't want it, we can delete it. Okay, we're just gonna delete this here for now. Okay, but this is not the right way of doing it. Just I want to show you guys. Okay, I want to show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys the right way of doing it, but not right now. Okay, so we have to go step by step. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this for now. We don't do this like this. Okay, we have a command we use to do this. Okay, so if you take a look inside of it, we don't have it. So if we go in the file system, okay, we got home, nothing is inside of the wish number. This is what we got. Okay, so if we go here, if we go, for example, let's say here, different stuff is here. Okay, so if we go, for example, let's say here, different stuff is there. Okay, so if we go, let's see here, different stuff is there. Okay, so we're gonna go back to here. Okay, so let me close this. We're gonna go to terminal. Now let's create the let's make a directory. We call this Africa. Okay, we're gonna call this Africa. Okay, enter. Okay, it's right there. So if we put else, right, you see Africa is right here. Okay, this is a directory. So in case you don't get it, the directory is just like a folder. All right. So let's create Asia. Let's okay. Make directory called Asia. Okay. Asia. Okay. Enter. Else. Asia. Let's clean. Asia is right here. Okay. Asia, Africa is right there. Okay, let me clean this. Okay, so let's create Europe. Okay, make the Europe. Go Europe. Okay, enter. Okay, else right there. Where's the Europe? So we got Africa, Asia, Europe is right here. Okay, in case you don't see it well. See, it's right here. So this is Africa, this is Asia, this is Europe. Okay, now let's clean this. Let's create the America. Okay, America. Okay, okay, all right. Else America, where is America? Right here. Okay, so let's see. So we got Africa, we got America, Asia, we got Europe. Okay, now let's clean this. Let's sorry, let's clean this. Okay, so that's how we create the oh, let's see, make directory. Australia. Okay, and then enter else. Okay, so Australia is right here. Okay, and then let's see. Okay, so most of the time when we do the, if you watch the lecture, you're gonna see I was talking about the permission. Okay, you're gonna understand. You see in Africa, when you take a look, you see here we have DRWXR. Okay, so when you watch the lecture, you're gonna understand this. Okay, please watch the lecture first, and then you come here. Okay, so this is how we create a directory. I don't want to give you guys a lot. I don't want that. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here for today. So in case you have a question, you don't get it, please feel free to contact me. Okay, so thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye bye.